So the next tool you should know about for creating websites is something called Emmet. Emmet. And Emmet IO, or OP, that's not what I'm looking for, IO. Emmet IO is this way to write code more quickly. And there's an Emmet IO cheat sheet. So often I'll just be like Emmet cheat sheet, and that's what I search for. And then here's my Emmet cheat sheet. So we're going to learn what all this code is, and you guys are going to be writing some code before today's done. And you're going to learn the fundamentals of creating websites today. But Emmet is a really helpful deal. So this is HTML right here. And you use opening and closing tags. And that's like for an unordered list, UL, and then LI. So it's like bullet points, right? Like, you know, a list of bullet points. A list item, LI is a list item. Well, it'd be kind of a hassle to write out UL, LI, all that stuff all that time. So instead, you could do that little white code right up here at the top. You could do that. And then that will create this when you use Emmet. And so you type a lot less, and you know Emmet, and it's a little shortcut syntax that you could use to create that stuff down below. So that's Emmet IO, and you could, you know, most IDEs, integrated development environments, most editors, whatever you want to call it, usually it's called an editor, have Emmet already installed. Like WebStorm's already got Emmet in there. I don't know about VS Code, so I said most, but then Sublime and Atom, you got to add it in. I think it's a plugin. So you just find where do you add your little plugins. You add in the Emmet plugin, and then you should be able to, with your HTML documents, to use Emmet to more quickly write code. And so here, you know, if I wanted to create that one, I would go here and then just open this up and do, I need a UL and then an LI and a class, and it's going to be an item, and I want to sequentially number, and I want 10 of them. Nice. Right? And so this translated to that. And if I wanted to add content into each of these, I think I'd come over to the Emmet cheat sheet and be like, how do I add content? Oh, here, content's in the curly braces. And the $ is a symbol for incrementing. So if I wanted content, I'd do this, and I'd go item, $, right? And then that is going to give me, hit tab now at the end, gave me all my content, my items, right? And if I wanted to add an attribute and a value to that, to like this one here, an attribute and a value, I could do ID is equal to menu, you know, and that should add that ID equals menu attribute in the square brackets, right? So you could start getting those pretty long. You could also do the ID one just like this, I think, pound menu, because pound is a shortcut syntax notation for ID, right?
Cool.
So there's different ways to skin the cat. And somebody sick came up with that saying. You ever thought about it? There's different ways to skin the cat. Like that was some sick guy in like the dark woods of Alabama or something. He's like, there's many different ways you skin a cat. Okay, Leroy, what you been doing in your spare time? Well, I like skinning cats and beating horses. But my brother's always saying, Leroy, quit beating that horse. You shouldn't. Don't beat a dead horse. Isn't that one of the sayings, right? Don't beat a dead horse. It's like, man, where'd that saying come from? Probably the dark woods of Alabama. We'll end on that on PC note.